For this problem, we solve the quadratic equation 3y squared minus 5y equals 2. Since we have a y squared term and a y term, I will subtract 2 from both sides to get 0 on one side of the equation. And then I will see if I can factor. If I can factor, I will factor into two binomial factors. And since 3y squared factors into only 3y times y, I know the first term of each of the binomial factors. The second term will be, the product will be negative 2, so I have either 1 times negative 2 or negative 1 times positive 2. Trying some different combinations, I find that if I write y minus 2 here and 3y plus 1, I will get a middle term of negative 5y. So this does factor. And since I have a product now that equals 0, I can use the principle of zero products and write 3y plus 1 equals 0 or y minus 2 equals 0. I solve this for y by subtracting 1 from both sides and dividing both sides by 3. I solve y minus 2 equals 0 by adding 2 on both sides of the equation. If I substitute negative 1/3 for y, I would get a true equation. If I substitute 2 for y in my original equation, it makes it true. So I can state then that the solutions are negative 1/3 and 2.